Assalamu alaikum. Today, November 4th, 2024, the People's Labour Bureau, Sindh President Habibuddin Junaidi and People's Labour Bureau Karachi Division, President Aslam Samoo continue to be congratulated on behalf of the newly elected officials of all districts. A grand ceremony was held today in the main office of People's Labour Unity, in which the delegation of People's Education Employees Association, Sindh Karachi, led by the chief organiser of People's Education Employees Association, Sindh Mr. Ejaz Beg Sahib, President of People's Labour Bureau Habibuddin Junaidi, and congratulated President Karachi Division Mr. Aslam Samoo. Mr. President People's Education Employees Association Ejaz Beg Sahib presented a rare gift of Holy Book of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to Mr. Aslam Sahib, President People's Labour Bureau Sindh, and all the members of the People's Education Employees Association, the central organiser, and the officials of the district gave ajraks and garlands of flowers to their respected President and Secretary of Sindh. People's Education Employees Association, Sindh Chief Organiser Mr. Ejaz Beg Sahib introduced all his officials to the Honourable Host and briefed them about their responsibilities. At this point, Mehmood Rajput, Deputy Organiser of People's Education Employees Association, Mr. Sultan Raja Mr. Mohsin Bhai, Mr. Maqbul Baloch Bhai, Mr. Shahid Beg Bhai, Mr. Muhsin, Shahid Bhatti Ali Hassan Gabul, Sultan Qureshi Organiser South, Nasir Imran Bakshi, Organiser South Malir, Aslam Arain from District South, Chief Organiser Ali Hassan, Senior Deputy Irfan Wafai, Deputy Organiser Qasim Mateen, Deputy Khas Khaile, Taj Lashari, Nisar, Liaqat Ali, Israr Shah Sahib, Deputy Organiser of District Central Ahmed Hussain Bhai, Chief Organiser of New Karachi Town Asif Ayub Bhai, Deputy Organiser Anisur Rahman, Deputy Organiser Muhammad Rafiq, and other members. President Habibuddin Junaidi and Secretary Aslam Samoo thanked all the officials who participated in the event and expressed their best wishes on this occasion, saying that the unity of all unions for the promotion of labour-friendly policies of the People's Party and solidarity is essential. He congratulated the newly elected office bearers for success in their positions and hoped that they would work to the best of their ability to protect the rights of workers. On this occasion, all the officials and members of the People's Education Employees Association assured their support and emphasised the importance of joint struggle. The event was a manifestation of the achievements of the People's Labour Bureau and a renewed commitment to the welfare of workers, emphasising the strengthening of the spirit of unity and solidarity. Release spokesperson Ali Hassan Gabul, People's Education Employees Association, Sindh Karachi. Report by N.I. Bukshi.